Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to join the Invincible Battleground Discord server, then this video is for you. First, you have to open your Discord application and log into your account, or if you are on web browser, then you have to go to the discord.com and log into your account. Then after log into your account, you can find this plus icon, simply click on it, and from here you can find join a server button. Simply click on join a server button and simply search for Invincible BG. Here it is. So when you can see here the card. Make sure that you don't mistake in typing here the last Invisible BG, and simply click on join server, and you have to wait until it show you the Invincible Battleground. Here it is. Now you have to answer the question here: do you want various pings for roles, etc.? Then sneak pings or pull pings or update pings, anything of them. Simply click on next and agree to their server rules here. So now you have to do is simply finish these 3 steps from here to get started with their server and interact with other players in this server. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.